How to unsend a message on TikTok. So TikTok does not have a true unsend feature like Instagram or WhatsApp. However, you can delete a message from a chat so it no longer appears in the conversation. So to get started, go ahead and open TikTok on your device, and then once you're on TikTok, make sure you're signed in to the correct account, and then head over into the inbox tab by clicking on inbox. Head over into that conversation where you want to delete a message. So in here, for example, you want to send a short message. I'll simply type it in and then hit on enter. Now, to be able to unsend this, long press on the message and then select delete for all in here. So messages can be deleted within 3 minutes after sending. They may have already been seen or forwarded, and they may also be reported. And that is how you can basically unsend a message on TikTok.